Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and I'm going to show you guys in this video exactly the times that I trade. And these times are probably the best times to trade in the market. We're going to do a little back testing. We're going to go back on those times and see exactly how those times play out, what you guys can look for, all that good stuff. So if you guys are looking for a broker to trade with indices, cryptos, check the link in my description. I have one for you guys. And as well with that, if you want to learn how to trade, check out my website, rorfx.com. You can go to the link in the description, or it should be on the screen somewhere. So I don't want to keep you guys here. Let's go into the video. I'll see you guys on my computer in just a second. As you guys are watching my videos, because the stuff that I'm telling you is just really informational. I'm not gonna bullshit you guys. I'm gonna be real as fuck with you guys, and that's just how I am. So if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button. Would greatly appreciate it. Let's go into the video. So like I was telling you guys, I want to go over the times to trade. These are really good times I trade. So for the New York session, I'm gonna give you guys two specific times I trade that I've seen amazing results, and just where you can spot reversal. So with me, I'm really looking for certain candles that are going to tell me the market's going to go down or the market's going to go up. I'm not really trying to go with the momentum of the market. I'm trying to overall catch a reversal so I can see the overall big move occur, and my risk will be a lot tighter. So write down these times: 6:30 a.m. PST to 6:45 a.m. PST is usually when I'm looking for a setup on the open of the market. So if I don't see a setup between those times, if I don't see something that's gonna give me an idea, okay, this is where I should enter, this is where my stop's gonna be, this is where I might take profit, I'm then going to trade from 8:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. So let's dive in right now. Didn't mean to do that. Okay, perfect, we're back. So you guys can see right here, this is the open of the market right here at 6:30. I would not have taken this move right here. I would have waited for this candle to close right here. You guys can see that it is overbought, and I'm not just gonna jump into the market. Obviously when it opened up, there was a lot of momentum. It was pushing up, inducing traders to go long. But me, I was like, do you know what? I'm gonna just wait this out. I'm not gonna rush into the markets. And be patient, guys. Don't rush into the markets. So I would have waited for this candle to close right here. I would have set up my trade like this as follows. That's where I would have entered. I would have had my stop probably right around there, right above that pin, just in case it retested. Then I'm going to go for previous market structures. So I'm going to go right here, looking at the pin that hit right there, and the pin right here hit perfectly. And as you guys can see, if we rewind it, so that candle came out. All right, that's where I'm gonna short. You guys can see it did fuck around for a second. Maybe could have taken another position right there since we saw a doji. Nice drop, retest, then it started to drop. Boom. There we go, TP hit. So that would have been my trade setup right there. And let's just go skip forward. So let's see, our next times are going to be 8:30 to 9:30 a.m. So 7:55, 8, okay, 8:20, 8:25, 8:30. So it looks like we do have another setup right here. Maybe I'll look for a short, if we could take a quick short right here. Okay, stops are going to be real tight on this one. That's nice. We're going to have a little bit higher. And TPs, let's just aim for this support right here. So let's see what we can get out of it. Okay. Okay, honestly guys, at this point in time, when I saw the market, I'm gonna delete this. When I saw the market drop down to here, it did go at our 200 EMA. I would have definitely trailed my stop loss to my entry, and I would have closed 50% profits. So even as that trade did come up and hit my stop loss, it would hit my entry, so I'd be break even. I didn't make any money, I didn't lose any money, and at the same time I trailed a stop, and when I did that, I closed 50% of my profits. So I would have still came out profitable on that trade right there. But as you guys can see, that reversal happened at 840. Okay. There's another reversal right there you could have caught. So maybe this will be the overall down move right here. We'll see. Okay, coming to test at 200 EMA again. There we go. There's our rejection. So right here at 915, this is where I would have went long. And with me, 3 strikes and I'm out. So this would be my third trade right here. I already would have came out profitable right here and here. So this trade, I'm gonna go, so our stop's 300 pips basically. I'm gonna go for a 600 pip TP right around here at this wick. Let's see how it plays out. Okay. There we go, starting to push up. Now right here, I would have trailed my stop to entry, close 50% profits. We're probably gonna hit TP in the next 15 minutes. I assume so. Okay, so this is where I was telling you guys in my video yesterday, or the video previous to this, we want to see a quick reaction. We don't just want to be sitting in the market for a long time. Okay, looking good. See if it'll hit that TP any day. Okay, see, so it broke even, closed 50% profits when it was right around here. So that's just today. Obviously, not every day we're going to see a quick reaction how we want it. So let's go back and back test yesterday. Okay, so right here, this was the open of the market. You guys can see that we did come down. Could have caught a reversal right here because this is 645. So we could have seen this doji right here. What day is this? June 9th. Okay. Come on, man, stop playing games. I don't know why. I'm in April. Okay, June 9th. Okay. Excuse me, guys. Okay, so we can see that here's the open of the market. False breakout. Trap sellers or trap buyers. Came down doji. Okay, that's a reversal candle right there. Time is 6:40, so let's go for a long position right here. Enter right here. I'm gonna have my stops right, well, since it is tight, we have 192 pips. I'm gonna have like a 200 pip stop loss. And I'm gonna target resistance right here at these wicks. Hit right there, hit right there, hit right there. Let's see how it plays out. Retest, retest. There we go. Boom, TP hit. Right there, wicked it perfectly, then rejected. So that's why I went for the market structure right here where it's wicking a lot, because when we see a lot of wicks or pins like that, most likely it's going to go and do that same thing. So you guys can see quick 455 pips right there. And when I'm catching like 400, 500 pips like that, like I'm going to be good. Okay, so this time is 7 a.m. So let's move to 8:30. 8:30 right there. Okay, it is hitting our 20 MA. We could see a reversal occur. We're already in an uptrend, so I'd wait. Yeah, see it's still going. I don't see a perfect entry yet. Still dropping. So if we pass 9:30 and I don't see a reversal, a clear reversal, then I'm not going to take it. Now, 9:20, 10 more minutes to get an entry. Yeah, I wouldn't have taken that trade. So this would have been the only trade that would have been taken from 6:30 to 6:45 on our brink setup right there. Okay, let's go to the next day. And I'm honestly just giving you guys like the times that I trade. I was going to give you one for the Asia session, but it's so slow back then. So this is June 8th. And we need to go right here. And if you guys want to go to a certain date instead of scrolling like that, you just go right here to this calendar, go to 8th, whatever day you want, then go to, and it'll take you right there. Okay, so this was open. I'm not going to keep back testing like that. I'll just show you guys on the chart right here. So this was the open of the market right here. Nice bearish candle. I would have taken it short right there, had my stops right above there, played it out to previous market structure right here where these pins are hitting right there. Easily would have caught a nice trade right there, a couple hundred pips. Could have caught another reversal. And then let's look at our other times, 8:30 to 9:30. Okay, so 8:25, this is 8:30. Right as that candle closed, we can see that we have 2 pins to the bottom, and we do have a bullish engulfing right here. So you could have taken this trade right here, gone long. Obviously, you would have had a pretty beefy stop loss. But if it held, this would have been the low of the day right here. And I would have wrote it up to previous market structure right up here to these wicks right here. And you guys can see the reaction was absolutely amazing. I will play it back right here. Within 5, or that's our candle right there where we would have entered at 8:30, 5, 10, 15, 20. Within 20 minutes, you would have caught 1,100 pips on that trade right there. So those are the times that I'm trading, guys. I'm not trading like 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m. Like, bro, like I have specific times that I trade. And I need you guys to all understand that this is not a game. This is something that really is real. And if you do not have times that you're trading and you're just all over the place, you're never going to be successful as a trader. I'm just being real as fuck with you guys. So if you want to understand how the markets move, you need a back test. You need to go back in time and be like, all right, well, what happened in April? Let me go back to April and let me check that out. Let me go to like April 24th. Okay. Okay, so you guys can see April 24th back test. Here you go. Here's the New York session right here. When your session outline, if you guys don't have the session outline, go right here, type in session. Right here, choose this one, colored. Then you can change it on the settings gear right here. I don't use London, that's why I don't trade. I have New York and Asia session. Then have it whatever color you want. So you can see automatically, okay, here's open, like right here, 640. Break setup right there, beautiful, beautiful. Here's the false breakdown. We have 1, 2, 3 levels of drop right here. Spinning top, flew. Absolutely ran right there. And that time, 640. Right in here, look at how we just have a cup right here. You guys can see why I call it a cup. Right there. And you guys can see all these candles are just catching price, loading up on buys and sells. And all these people are getting in the markets right here. And what does it do? It breaks out. But look at the times. That's important to look at, is the times. So I would have entered probably on one of these dojis. So it's just consolidating big right here. And whenever you see a zone where it's consolidating a lot, it's building up orders. It's taking a lot of orders in. So what happened after that? Immediately broke out. Nice move right there. If you'd enter on that doji right there, 882 pips. 882 pips, guys. That's why I'm trading in the mornings, because that's when the movement is. Versus the Asia session, guys, look at this whole range right here. Nothing is going on right here. You do not want to be trading this right here. Nothing's going on between this. There's nothing important going on. You're not going to overall catch a move like this or catch a move like this within the Asia range. So that's when I trade as a New York session. Yeah, guys, check it out. Figure out what times work for you. And this is something when I figured out, it was like, wow. I literally struck gold figuring out these times of trade and when the market moves. And obviously, after you figure out the times, you need to back test it. I would back test for like 2 to 3 months on multiple time frames, because we just looked at the minute 5 right here. We didn't even look at the minute 15. We didn't look at the minute 30. So we could get a lot more feedback as we look at those times. Obviously, I've already back tested this time for months, so I know that there's more feedback on the minute 15. But me as a trader, guys, like I said, I use 2 time frames in Confluence. So let's go right here. What time, what date is this right here? Let's just look and see if we can see. So April 23rd. Let's go to April 23rd right here. right here, 6:30 a.m. What happened right here? So that 6:30 candle right here, that candle is 6:30 to 6:45. So we could have seen a spinning top right here, long wick to the bottom, rejected it, moved away, and we could have got confluence right there from the minute 15, and you combine it with the minute 5. There you guys go. But all right guys, I'll see you on the next video. Peace.